how to transform your LR4 or LR3. Okay, here is your standard seat configuration. Now that the seat is out and everything is in place, your interior should look like this. Hello my Rover friends and welcome to the Lucky 8 channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to transform your LR4 or LR3 into having captain's chairs in the back. Essentially we're going to pop out the center little seat and then you've got a nice little pathway to get to those jump seats in the back. Cue the intro. Okay, here is your standard seat configuration. If you don't know this, there's a little strap. I can see it here. I'll bring the camera in close so you can actually see it. Little strap that you pull and these seats will fold down. Like, whoop, gotta close it. So it'll lower down and be flat. But this seat, you do the same thing. Down, out of the way. Put the other one back up. Whoop, gotta pull the pin. Other one back up. You can almost use it as a little captain's chair jump through, but the kids hop in, then they got to climb over this seat, drop their backpack, all the stuff goes everywhere, screaming, you get it. I'm going to show you how to pull this seat right out so they can walk all the way to the back. All right, we're going to start in the back. We're going to need a T50 Torx, I believe that's it. So I'm going to get mine and I'll start to show you what you need to remove in order to get that seat out. I like to put the seats down so I can lean over them and get to the T50 Torx back here. There's 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and trust me, there's another one right there. We're going to pop these 4 out of the way and then we can move to the next step. With those 4 Torx in the rear removed, you should have a little play in your seat. Now I'm gonna fold everything back up and we're gonna get to the 2 in the front to free this up, but don't go crazy and skip ahead. There is a seatbelt connection you gotta watch out for. Right here are the 2 Torx. 1, and come on around the corner. 2. It's a little better angle here, but you see that's the 2 remaining. We're going to pull those out next. Your seat base should be 100% free, and this is where you want to pay attention to the seat belt. You want to make sure it doesn't get snagged on anything. It's not jammed down in here, because when you go to pull this seat out, it can get twisted or yanked, and the base is sharp. You don't want to cut your leather. Fold the seat like so. I'm going to climb my tuchus in here, and we're simply just going to slide it back and out. If you try to pull it straight up, you'll rip the leather. So we're just going to wiggle it like so. Come on. Don't make me look bad on the internet seat. What's that? I can do it myself? Yeah, I look bad all the time. Ta-da! Here we go. And the seat is out. Now that the seat is out and everything is in place, your interior should look like this. That leaves only one thing left to do. Be sure to follow for more Rover content.